Today in Granny's Scottish kitchen, I'm going to make Scottish stovies. This is a very simple meal that you can make from leftovers from the Sunday lunch. Potatoes, some boiled carrots and turnip or swede, some roast beef, preferably still in quite a lot of its gravy, 3 onions very finely and stir-fried them in the pan. What you can then add as well when you mix it all together, it makes a great kind of supper dish or a good Monday dish with the leftovers. You can add some corned beef as well if you want to bulk it out and maybe add some extra flavour. So basically the process is simple. We've got chopped onions here, which I've fried up already. Add to that mixture some of my roast beef that was left over from Sunday lunch. You hope it's nice and tender because you want it to flake and break up as much as possible. I used to make it quite often at New Year time, which is a great midnight dish to eat as a supper dish. So I'm adding some of the roast beef and some of the gravy, and I'll just break that down. Roughly about 6 potatoes, turnip and carrot. So it's just a case of working in all the meat, the potatoes, the turnip, the carrots, the onions into this mixture. Gradually adding a little bit more gravy. That's why it's quite useful still to have some Sunday lunch gravy left over. Now obviously as you're going on, you better add some salt and pepper. So with 2 wooden spoons, just keep breaking up the mixture. You don't want it to be too mushy, but you do want to break up those potatoes a bit. You can take the masher as well and just maybe break up some of the potatoes. So once it's partially broken up like that, you can leave some good chunky bits. You can actually just plate that. So what I'm going to do is take some out, and with the rest I'm just going to add the corned beef. It does give a little kind of saltiness to it. I'm using lean corned beef, and you can see there's hardly any fat in that. And basically once it's heated through, that's it ready to serve. Nice chunky pieces of meat, corned beef, potatoes, carrots, onions and sweet.